name is Rainbow Dark, and I guess I could say, welcome back to ClusterTrucks, this time on the Xbox Series X. I realized I could buy this game on here, and I had the game on my computer, but when I recorded it, I was on my laptop. That was a long time ago, and that laptop was not the greatest, but it was the best I had. And that's what kind of like sparked my YouTube channel, was that laptop. I've always kind of had always had a liking for YouTube. But I just didn't really have the stuff to do it, you know. That laptop just really gave me the big step up. But I have been playing a little bit, you know, get the hang of it. And I was just sitting there playing. I was like, you know what? Why not come back to it on the channel, you know? Because I'm trying to take a break from Resident Evil. So let's get back into it. I really did enjoy this game on the channel. It was a really fun game, but it was also complex. I'm gonna also look back at my channel and see what other games I did play that I could get on the Xbox now. Because it would be nice to revisit some of the old games I played, but my computer could not handle it. But now that I have an Xbox, you know, you can actually afford shit. It'll actually be nice to play those games on something that can actually handle it better, you know? And actually is more fun because I'm not battling lag and frame rate issues and whatnot. Oh god. One thing too is I know as I could play some Call of Duty Cold War. Because if you oh my god. The double jump screwed me up. Because my computer couldn't handle recording it while playing. Because you know my CPU is kind of crap. And whatnot, and then I also what? Whoa! What's happening? You notice I tried to stream it too? No! And you know, it just didn't work. But on here, you know, I can do much better. One other thing I found out too when I was setting everything up to record, I found out. On my screen, or my TV, say, normally I can play at HDR10 and Adobe Vision. That's what my TV uses. But since I'm using a capture card, which is a HDMI from my Xbox to my capture card, and then the capture card HDMI to the TV, so I can get picture, does not allow me to get Adobe Vision and my HDR10, which kind of sucks, but it still records the HDR10 and Adobe Vision. I gotta stop double jumping, man. That's screwing me up. Right at that end. But I'm so glad to get back in this game again. I don't think I'm gonna turn it into a series. I think I'm just gonna turn it into like another game we can play on the thing, you know? Because I've watched YouTubers play this game and seeing like the boss battle, and I'm not that good at this game at all. And there's literally no way that I would be able to beat the boss. So I'm just putting it out there. That hurt. For the land. I didn't realize how close I was to the back. I want to try to get a good few levels in. Because it is about almost 12:30. Oh, I don't know how I made it through that one. You bitch driver, you moved over, I saw that. Because I knew if I wasn't going to make that front one, I could move back. But you moved back. And you moved to the side. Now. I gotta stop double jumping, man. It just throws me farther off. Double jumping might have actually saved me. Not sure. Winter is a little bit hard. Okay, that works. That works too. I feel like I phased through that truck. That or I like grabbed the bare ass of the truck. Because I made contact with that truck. I know I did. But somehow the truck said nope. I think that's the closest I've ever gotten. Just clipping the ass of that truck. Nope. Stay here. Nope, going here. And we're going here! Yes! No, no. Yes! Take that! They rewinded that back. What the fuck? Okay. 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 Okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. Yeah! I just wait. I just wait. And we jump ahead. Making good points. Ouch. Woo! Squeeze in there like a butter. And drop down here like a boss. And you're gonna be coming from down here. Just gonna wait. No, we're not. Oh! Missed it by a few inches. It was that or the truck would have got hit, blew up, and I would have died. So I had to make a split-second decision. And what I did, I thought was right. Oh no, it breaks. Oh, what am I gonna land on? Nothing. And I guess I can actually touch it because I kind of touched it. Oh, I guess that's happening. I knew I fucked up already once that I didn't have a truck. Yeah. Come on! Oh, like I bounced off the hood. Oh shit! I like literally was sandwiched between and bounced off of it. Oh, he ran me straight the fuck over. Getting it. Down, down! Oh shit, shit, oh shit. Oh shit! I didn't think that was gonna happen. So I don't have to turn around, I just gotta wait for the truck to come out. I should have faith a truck will be underneath me. Faith? I'm not getting it anymore. Faith! I just need to slow down just a little bit for the trucks to catch up. Perfect. Drop down. Match this. And then... Shit. I should have double jumped. I still had one in the pocket. Come on! Woo! Nope. Too early. Too fast. Too quick. Too fast for you! Not too good for you. Oh, nope! Oh, I slid right off. Wait, what happened? It looked like I just bounced off the ground. I don't know. That was fucking sick. Ow. Awesome. You get major points for that. Oh, and I wasted my double jump. But it's all good. Why did I fall off? Why do I fall off? That's the second time that's happened when I got to that part. Like, that's bogus, man. Stay on the truck. Give me. Yes! That's how we can do a little bit more. Okay. Oh, baby! Oh, baby, triple! Where do I go? Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I was doing so good. Okay. Ow. There's a tree there. So I see. Truck's coming in this way. I'm dead. Ah, fucking tree! I'm just going down here. Save me, trucks! Not those trucks. You're supposed to drop down this way. Oh, what the fuck? Yes! Yes! Where the fuck's the finish? It's over here. We're just gonna stay on this truck. This is the lucky truck. Yeah, bitches, wait your turn. I'm beating this shit. That shit was chaos. What the fuck? Oh my god! That was kind of cool. I like how the trucks were speeding up. Ow. I wanted to get an ace. I want that ace. Okay. It's winning truck. No, it's not. I'm the winning truck. I didn't realize that the thing was turning. And that my truck was now going to fly off the side. Bliss. Doesn't matter. I'm just that good. I'm really vibing to this music. Oh, you cheeky, ouch. So you cheeky bastards. The double one, it's got another one behind it. Aha, my poor legs. So you can't one jump it. You have to double jump it. Or, fuck! You just have to go higher. Well, I wasted my double jump. My fucking forehead, dude. Not today! Ah, my legs! Woo! Ah! Oh, that was a baby! That was a triple. I didn't even see it, and somehow I one jumped it. Ow! So I can hug the truck. Well, I guess you can one jump. That or just get the right air. God damn it! Dang it! Dang it! Aha! My face! Where'd my truck go? I didn't think I had to look down. I thought my truck would still be there. Ow! Knock it off with these fucking things. Nope. Save me, trucks. Ow. Oh! For some reason, that song that was just playing, the music, reminds me of Terraria. Ouch. I don't know why. It just does. Ah! Fuck! This level sucks. Alright, triple. Motherfuckers are swerving all over where I want to go. Where I want you to be. I'm a cheeky little bastard. Ow. 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 Trying to see if I can get that launch. It's a trick. Ouch. We ride the back. God damn it. You hold sprint. Ouch. And you'll get that like hyper launch. I just want to beat the level. Tired of seeing that fucking screen. Why? See, my truck just leaves. Land right into that. And And that. And that. And that. I told myself in my head, don't double jump. But my thumb said, yes, let's double jump. Where was my truck? Where was my truck, bro? Normally, it always want to speed the fuck ahead, but that time, he was fucking behind. But oh, when I finally fucking make it, I'ma slow the fuck through. I just want to beat this level! God damn it! Shit! Woo! Come on! I don't know how the fuck I did that. Go take it! Ah! That's what I got for taking something I didn't deserve. God damn it. Why? Stop breaking your legs! And your face! Gonna ride this one out like a fucking... What the fuck was that? What? There's a fucking thing falling from the sky. Am I supposed to beat that? Yo, no. This ain't funny no more. This shit's just stupid. Fuck you! Alrighty. Well, all videos have to come to an end. Like this one. No, I'm not angry. I'm just hungry. And it's late. So, hope you guys enjoyed that short little bit of ClusterTrucks. We're gonna do some more hopefully soon. Hopefully get back into some more Resident Evil 4. But, I don't know. But, it depends on my schedule, timing, and if I want to. Because I'm not really much of a fan of the Resident Evil 4 remake. Not gonna lie. Been more into 8 more lately. Yeah, I don't know. So, like I said, all good videos have to come to an end. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. And as always, I will see you guys